Welcome to this modern minimalist masterpiece in the Memorial area, Piney Point neighborhood of Houston, Texas. This region is considered one of the finest places to live anywhere, and this magnificent mansion has everything you will ever need. Let's start with a brief look at the pool area. Imagine, this may be the address where you'll spend the rest of your life. 11526 Raintree Circle. As you enter, you are greeted by a lovely entry to the magnificent formal living area. Now it starts to get interesting. Look at the horizontal lines, uneven blocks, window ribbons, and high ceilings. Notice the brightness of the area. Find joy in this open floor plan, budded glass walls and sliding metal doors with a metal frame profile, spectacular interior views, and the blending of the inside and out. The expansive living and dining rooms offer a stunning view of the massive piece of art by John Clement, situated in the open-air courtyard. With the sale of this property, the sculpture belongs to you. This house is a high-tech fantasy come true. The kitchen is ideal for large gatherings. It has Poggen Pohl soft closing cabinets, butler pantry, island with cooktop, Gaggenau and Miele appliances beneath the cabinet lighting. Enjoy the area while still entertaining guests. There are 2 sinks and 2 dishwashers, and a spacious walk-in pantry with an extra refrigerator. The kitchen flows easily into the breakfast room. There is space for bar stools at the kitchen island. This is an awesome spot for quick meals or if you want to chat with the cook. The family room has a saltwater fish tank with views of the covered outdoor kitchen, pool, and yard. The perfect location for overnight or short-term stay guests. The guest suite is ideal for friends or adult children or other family members. Take a look at this gym. Consider starting your day with a workout or an outlet for stress after work. By the way, this fitness center is a converted primary en-suite on the first floor. Let's go up to the next level. Take a look at this upstairs retreat with lots of contemporary shelving. While we're looking at the bedrooms, I'd want to draw your attention to the flooring. The majority of the flooring is white oak hardwood that was imported from France. In addition to concrete, marble, stone, and terrazzo were utilized in the construction process. This plexiglass window in the floor allows you to view the children's first floor playroom from the second story. This is one of Allen Bianchi's most famed designs, and it has been expanded with Rocio Diaz inclusion to the main suite wing. A sumptuous bedroom includes media/storage wall, private deck, 2-story marble-clad bath with coffee bar and chiller. There are also 2 palatial bespoke closets. This Piney Point property is huge, with almost 11,000 square feet on a 38,000 square foot lot. I'd like to mention a few more details to this description that makes this property even more appealing. Jetted tub and separate shower in the primary bath, 2 utility rooms with washer included, generator, built-in hot tub, leased alarm system, open courtyard, drapes, curtains, and window coverings, dry bar, elevator, fire and smoke alarm system, formal foyer with high ceilings, and intercom system. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our lovely home. This level of quality in a house is rare. Please contact us right away to book a private viewing. Here is the information for Mariana. Go ahead, give her a call. Thanks again.